Okay. I'm a little bit late. Nobody yell at me. Oh my. Ba-bam. Pin. Okay, one. Go. Gotta sort things out. Busy, busy, busy. Okay. Here we go. Is it working? Oh, it would help if I went to the right thing. Not starting great. Not starting great. It should be fine. We'll be fine. Hey, Nur, what's up? Son? Hi, how you doing? How's it all going? I hope everyone's doing amazing. Sorry, I'm getting myself quickly organized. It takes a little longer than expected. Oh, hey, Jose. Well, I haven't placed any trades yet today. Jose, how's your day been looking? Are we green? Are we feeling like lucky ducks today? I'm hoping, yes. I'm hoping everyone's feeling like a lucky duck. Silver Bullet Trader, how you doing? Son, I'm good. I'm good. How are you doing, son? Son, I'm assuming you're a trader. Are you a trader? And are we ready for today? Do we think today is going to have some better movement? Not some yucky price action like yesterday? Jose, aw, thank you. You're so sweet. You are so, so sweet. Maybe one day I'll get some lucky duck vibes, but today is not Thursday. Well, what? No, no, no. Wow, that was super negative to start the morning. Today is going to be a good day. Why? Because I'm just going to follow my rules. And we're just going to do what we do best. Yes? Yes. That's all we can do. Okay. Sun consecutive win. Are you a trader, by the way? Also, Silver Bullet Trader, you've been awfully quiet. You good? Okay, let's focus. Let's get serious. Well, I say that. As serious as I can get, which I think I can be pretty serious sometimes. Seriously annoyed, I guess. Well, took out. So we did eventually go up. Cool. What time? Oh, okay. Then slow and steady, I guess, won this race. Very slow. Very, very steady. With... There we go. Here's this new daily imbalance. Or new daily opening gap. It is tiny. All right, then. Let me mark out some key liquidity levels. I see some messages popping through. I will come and say what up now. Pretty delicious. What's up? And High Life. Hey yo, how you doing? High Life, you good? Very delicious. How's it been going? Top of the morning, Green Globe Explorations. I like that. Green Globe Explorations. I don't want to be presumptuous, but are you a traveler, perchance? Just, you know, with the YouTube handle like that. Can't blame me for being a little bit curious, right? And damn. Okay. Here's some relative equals. This is a juicy level. Right by this imbalance. And there's a lot of liquidity to the sell side. I mean, there's a lot of liquidity to the freaking buy side now as well, but moving on. I see Asia session has not actually done that much. Need to take note of New York open price. Okay. Okay. Let's do this thing. At 3 a.m. we have got. I need to double check something. So can you guys see I'm actually focused in for once? I know that doesn't happen often. So it's all appreciated while I'm at it. Okay. Here's the open, kind of bouncing off of VWAP now. Okay. Henrik, sure. Why not? Only through Trader? What the? How's it going? Marketer? The what? How's it going? Sorry, I'm trying to figure out your username. Is it then Idle Marketer or the Nidal Marketer? I feel like I'm butchering that completely. Anyways, what's up? How's it going? How you doing? How's everyone doing? It will give me nice. Oh, let's do this. High Life. We've got this. You wonder what kind of trading, Maya? Well, I use some market auction theory, but I use SMC and ICT confluences to confirm my strategy. Is it perfect? No. But still learning every day. You travel just a little bit. Where's the best place you've been to? Green Globe Explorations? Dang it! What? It's been a minute. Sorry, I'm catching up on all the messages. I know I'm a little bit late to the party. Abby, what's up? My name is Maya. Colin, hey there. I should make YouTube. Wow. Someone's listening into your conversations there, Colin. How's it going? So you just started trading, and how are you finding it? Is it amazing? Is it scary? A little bit of both. Here we go. Down of VWAP. Okay, well, just took that. Cool. Oh, do you know what I did not do? To mark out. I did not mark out Asia low, which is this right here. And Asia high. Never mind. Asia high has already been taken. Yeah, next stop Asia low by the looks of things. Cool. That's taken, that was taken. This potentially. I'm trying to be quicker. Maybe I'm being too... Freaking do 10 contracts with this, but anyways. It could be a little bit higher, but I'm looking for potential Asia low. Maybe I'm being a little bit too optimistic with this right now, but I'm trying to be better. Got one, I've got two, I've got three. I've got 3 confluences. Technically 4, that one could be disrespected slightly, but we're going with it. Stang, give me a rundown for the week, up or down, down in profits, unfortunately. Excuse me, sir. Anyways. How long ago did I start this channel? In April, Colin, yeah. I'll start in Jan for now, markets will be slow. Girl, you're not wrong. Hey, David G, what's that? December PA starting a little too soon, really? What time did it, well, what time? When does it normally start? Only True Trader? Trading, but then when you use real money, I keep exciting trade only. So now I'm working on my mental game. You know what, Colin? I get it. Believe me, I should have made this a little bit lower. Shoot. As you can see, believe me, I understand that struggle oh too well. I'm trying to be more bold because do you know how many trades I've missed? Because, sweet and simply, I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. I missed them because I was a chop. And either this is gonna win or it's not. Oh, thanks, Jose, you're so sweet. Kevin doing great. 2:13 a.m. in Honduras. Damn, it's early. I need some of those get vegetarian fortune cookies. Get it all? That's really good. Colin, sweet and simply, it takes time. It really takes time, and it's overwhelming. I'm not gonna lie, especially as a trader. If you do decide to do it, you will definitely find out that sometimes it's not very easy to go the direction of trading live because of the fact that so many people use so many different strategies. None are incorrect. I'm saying that right now. None are incorrect. It's just a lot of information thrown at you, and some people can see that, oh, this is going to start going down, and some people might see, this is going to go up. So you are then stuck in a situation of, oh damn. So mental game wise, oh, it's hard. You really have to be you gotta be strong with the mental game. Oh, thanks, David. Well, I hope it's a good busy day. Wear your glasses. Okay. Oh no. Okay, but at least I set it up. I'm trying to be really positive. Graphic draws? No. That's gonna take me out. Oh man. And nearly out. Nearly out. Like the first time no one's yelled at me for my trade, which is weird. Is it because we're still very early? Especially for your live trading style, having so many different traders and strategies tell you different things, trying to stick to your model. Thanks, only two traders hard. Oh, that. No, not really. Sorry, I guess that. Yeah. This is not looking promising for a short right now. Oh, Skeletor, actually, yeah, that's a good point. If you go look at like my older videos, the amount that I used to talking absolute rubbish, but you just talk non-stop. So you end up talking to yourself quite a bit. As you can see, sometimes I forget to respond to you guys, and it's just because I'm talking so much. Some guy, what's up? How's it going? Hi, demon. Happy Thursday indeed. I see you starting good. Got a big cup of coffee, Jose. Always. It's the only way to do it. Gotta get yourself a big cup of joe and get the day going. Or can we talk about different topics? Alpha? Sorry, I feel like I've missed. Just want to under the types of topics. Oh yeah, we talk about a bunch of different things here, to be fair. Mainly trading, though. This is a trading channel. But the topics do vary. We have gone from clothing to food to travel to what else? We've done other things. You seem happy in your own world, though. Hate to drag you back. Skeletor. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. Maybe a little bit of both, but it's fine. Colin, do you want to pop me an email that I can help you out a little bit more if you want? If you want. You don't have to, obviously, but if you would like. Oh, damn, some guy. Nice. I'm good. I'm good. I cannot complain. I'm just gonna carry on carrying on. Is trading different than stocks? I'm not actually sure. I don't think so. No. This price action is... Wait. Only true trader, you mentioned earlier, I'm pretty sure you did answer me, so I'm sorry if I did not see the answer. I apologize. I kind of asked, when does December price actions generally start? You said it kind of started early. When does it tend to start? In general. Hey Rizzy, what's up? Anyways. Go on then, Colin. Sure. Hey Blues bro. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. I saw a person that looks just like you in the previous stream. What was the previous stream called? Ismail? I scalp here short, then a long. Jose? Well, I'm in a short, so let's see. Oh, Colin, sorry, my email's in my description of my YouTube channel. There we go. It's like of my stream. No, not. How age are you? I'm how old do you think I am? Haha, there we go. Here's the scary questions. Grey work, how much what? Using it like between $5,000 and $10,000. Oh, what am I short? Sorry, I'm shorting the Nasdaq futures. Yeah. I'm trading the Nasdaq future. Sorry, I should maybe zoom in on this a little bit. I've gotten in a lot earlier than I normally do. Normally I wait quite a bit to see what the market's going to bring for the day. But quite often I do that and I miss my opportunity. So today I'm not doing that. And so my rules state when it's at 1-to-1, so this is a 1 to 2 hour trade, by the way. When it reaches 1-to-1, I mitigate my risk by half. However, this price action is a little bit choppy, so I'm not, and on choppy days it's not ideal. Yesterday that got me. No, but I need to stick to my rules, right? Sticking to your rules is key when it comes to trading, so I'm sticking to my rules. Risk is mitigated by half. Yeah. Chili Pops 23. Ooh, I appreciate that, but no. 27. Usually the first 2 weeks of December. Ooh, okay, I need to trader. Love SA. I spent a few weeks there last year. Ooh, amazing, Colin. What part? And where are you from? Thanks, Rizzy. Well, let's see. Maybe I was a little bit overexcited. I'm not sure. But see, I'm going to pay the duck at the low. If Ripper's here, he would be happy. But I'm paying the duck at the low, and then I am leaving one runner because I think it's going to take out Asia low before it wants to proceed back up to a bullish market. So I'm leaving a runner to at least Asia low. Okay, cool. Well then, there we go. Now we just need one. Cool. Win? We're winning. We're winning? We're winning. How are we winning? That is so weird. No, that's negative Nancy type of talk right there. But yeah. A win is a win. I don't know if I should let it run more if that's being greedy. Thanks, Dolly! Some guy them's the rules. I knew. From US, but I spent 2.5 years, damn, 2.5 years traveling to all 7 continents as a digital nomad. What? Colin, that sounds freaking cool. What made you decide to do that? If it takes out Asia low, I'm gonna move this one contract to where everything else normally would be. Only true trader? Do you think I can be part of the lucky ducks yet? Rip's not here. Let the runner today. Thanks, Tyson. I got the sell. Ooh, Pero Petro, nice. Leave it at break even. Okay. Even after it takes out Asia low. Am I being optimistic? It will go up. What time frame are you expecting? Oh, I'm just giving my predictions. Are my predictions correct? No. I'm just going off of what normally happens. I am on the 1 minute time frame, just BT dub. But normally being the key word here. Normally what happens is it tends to either take out Asia high and then go for Asia low, or vice versa, it takes out Asia low before going for Asia high. Again, just from what I've noticed. So I think maybe once it's taken out Asia low and it wants to continue in a bullish market. Yeah, it has been a little bit bearish so far. Okay, let's see. Just from what I've observed, it sometimes likes to do that. No TP, just hold for the whole day. Nice, only true trader. I'm gonna recommend trading 50%. Okay, I mean, that's not bad. That's not a bad idea. So let's go to around there. Let's start there. Like I said, once it's taken out Asia low, I'm more than happy to move it down there, because then I've lost nothing. If it continues lower, awesome. If it goes back up, then literally, there we go, I have lost nothing. And now I will just trail it a bit, if the opportunity presents itself. But either way, thank heavens, the losing streak is over. Oh my gosh, there was a moment there where I thought it was never going to be over. I was like, why? My buddy's a digital nomad, high-end coder. He just lives in a big van with Starlink and drives all over Europe and stops back to the UK a couple of times a year to see it. That is so cool. I'm conflicted, because part of me is like, that is amazing. I would love to do that. Another part of me goes, you know, it's not really like my dog and my horse can come with me while I do that, so I would miss them too much. But I would love to be able to travel more. Not even gonna lie, I would love to be able to travel more. I have only traveled a little bit, and yeah. NQ took out EQH before market close. I expect some more downside. Ooh, okay, Tyson. Like I said, I'm gonna let it run. I'm just gonna leave it there. If it takes me out, literally nothing lost. So it is what it is. But how do you find your live chat in the future without subscribing to your site? I don't know, Alpha. Everything's... Oh, I mean, Colin, yes, especially if you were in South Africa, I can imagine you were feeling pretty good about everything there, right? Say there, here. The same, when anyone from overseas comes here and they go, oh, everything is so cheap. Whereas if I had to go there, I'd cry. I would cry. I won't be able to afford anything. Aww. I don't know why I'm saying aww. It's still a win. We winning. Sure, you could squeeze a horse. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay, poop. But that's fine. Amazing. Terrifying. Don't get me wrong. I mean, it did come very close to my stop loss. There was a moment there where I just thought, yeah, this is it. This is not going to work. But a win's a win. What a nice way to start a Thursday. Huh. Okay. Now, like I said, now I need to wait for confirmation. I was a little bit quick on that one because I saw it headed towards the Asia low. Tyson, I know you say you think it's gonna go... Thank you. I know you say you think it's gonna go down a little bit more. Oh, dag-nabbit. Ah, maybe I should have left it. Listen to the pros, Maya. You're not a pro yet. Yet. One day maybe, but not yet. I'm also trying to not be too greedy. I mean, like I said, it took out Asia low. There is a lot of sell-side liquidity. But let me wait for some confirmation first. Again, just from what I've noticed, generally when it takes out Asia low, it tends to want to pop back up. So let's not be silly geese. Angel Eyes, what's up? I do apologize that I have missed a lot of messages. And yeah, I'm very, very sorry that I've missed a lot of messages. I'm a little bit locked in today, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. But again, obviously, I'm sorry. Best stop loss in the game, Rosie. Nice. How's the weather here? It's humid as heck. So it's overcast, but hot as hell. Sorry, I think you're talking to me. I'm sorry. Correction, have I ever lost a major investment, and what did you do to recover? No, I don't invest. I just do my day trading. buffoon. David, practice makes perfect. You are right. When will you accept it? This is based on chance as gambling. Ice cream further? Nah. Disagree. What indicator is that? What, this one that I have up here? It's my GAN box. So now this trade only has 2 confluences and just took out Asia low, so I'm gonna sit on my hands for this one. Maybe it's a silly idea, maybe it's going to actually tag in and continue down to the sell side, but you know, I'm in the green. Let's now not do something dumb to not be in the green anymore. What software do I use to trade on a daily basis? Well, I'm using Project X. I manipulate my shares, what? Hey, Trader Dell. Hi, how's it going? Seeing from Brazil, that is so cool. Yeah, my GAN box. GANN and then box. GAN box. Damn angel eyes, whoop whoop. Exactly, literally. Colin, sorry. Going back to you a little bit. When you were in South Africa, where did you go? Where did you visit? Alpha, so I use a prop firm. But if you want to start paper trading to learn your strategy, you can download TradingView. There is a free one. You can't live trade though, but you can do paper trading to start to figure out a strategy that works for you. Jose, I'm on a 1 minute right now. Is he interesting? Really? Is it interesting? Why is it interesting? You make me nervous. Okay. Oh, I didn't mark out Asia. Oh, it's a little bit. Okay. Let's see what this would have done. If it hits VWAP and looks like it's going to come down with some hectic momentum again, maybe I'll do a stop sell, but let's wait and see first. Hey Johns, is it John Z or Johns? So I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Just hung a picture up, nailed it. That's amazing. Ferguson, no, so I'm actually on an eval. So for those that are new, welcome. Hi. If anyone's wondering, this is basically the very real journey. All the ups and downs. I'm not profitable yet. I'm still passing my eval account. It's not easy. It's the very real struggles and everything in between. The good, the bad, and the ugly, if you will. So for anyone that's new, so if you're hoping to get like some signals or think that I'm gonna be amazing, sorry, definitely not the case. Hey Daz, what's up? Never heard of a GAN box before, it looks interesting. I don't trade with CPs and most of the time I don't trade with snops. Rizzy, then how do you do it? Like, Angel Eyes, do I have Discord? I do, Angel Eyes. Let me, give me a second, please. I'm on it. Give me 2 seconds. Whoop. Hey guys, this is why you listen to your rules. Ooh. Voila. Okay, I'm back. Am I only trading on London session? No, I trade both London and New York session. Okay, so those are my go-tos. London and New York. I don't trade Asia just because in general it tends to be a bit choppy. I know the past, okay, not today, but the past few days it actually has not been bad. Hey, whoop whoop, high life. Me and you both. Did you see? Did you see? Did you see? Yes. It was good. 6 years of watching price action, that's a lot. Ice cream forever, did I win? Yes, yes I did. Now we can take care this week. Right, high life, now we get none. Well, obviously I haven't made up for what I did lose this week, but I think I made up and a little bit what I lost yesterday. So that's good. That's good. A little bit is better than nothing. Yo, Shoni. Yes. Here, I did. One. I was a little bit greedy. I should have maybe put my limit at the Asia low. It is what it is. I did have one trailing, but I had it so that it stopped where TP was anyway, so nothing lost. I have high expectations from today. Oh dear. High life. No, now I feel like I'm gonna disappoint you if I don't TP. I'm joking. We got this. We've got this. I scale in and out with micros. Asia session scares. Only true trader, right? Like I've said, I've never tried it. Never tried it. I don't think I want to try it. Okay. Oh my great Gideon, come on. Let's not do this today. $15-minute. Let's check out what the 15-minute doing. Might still want to go a little bit higher to at least fill the gap. Cool. Oh, I just have to double check time. Okay, it's not 4 yet. How does the hour look? I haven't. No, yeah, I've been quite bad. I did not go and check out the higher time frames. Oh, yuck. These higher time frames don't look great, do they? Wow. 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 I mean, you can't deny the flipping resistance going on at this level. A 661 level. Interesting. Okay, so tapped into VWAP, kind of. Oh, sorry, Colin. But I'm still what the doing? Yo, Shawnee, exactly. Shawnee, there's no doubt. High time frame messy, exactly, Freddy. It's not great. 5 minutes executing on 15 seconds. Damn, Freddy, what? Oh, Freddy! Do you know what's so annoying, Freddy? So I had a runner and I wanted to take out that runner at the Asia low. And I didn't. So that was maybe a little greedy of me. I thought I would leave it and see if it just continued down, because sometimes it does that. But I just had it so that it was taken out back at TP. I mean, I could have maybe earned a little bit more. Not that much. It was one contract on the micros. It is what it is. But I was also waiting for it to take out Asia low, and now let's see if it goes back to Asia high. Freddie, is that what you think's happening? Beside the graph, do I look at the future of the firm or only the graph? Only the graph. Mostly because this is, you know, Nasdaq. Took the sales this morning from 229 to the Asia lows. Damn, Celestial, whoop whoop, indeed. 20% charts, 80% waiting, yeah. Internet, what did it bounce off? Down here? Is that what you're asking? Or here? Green globe, that's another good entry right here. This one, yeah, it just did not come down far enough. Oh well. If my predictions are correct about it wanting to take out Asia high, then theoretically this would be a good entry. However, it has now taken out internal liquidity, so maybe not. Maybe it just wanted the internal before going back to the external. So I would have preferred it to take me out further down. Maybe it was a mistake. Maybe this is gonna go back up now. But at least I had valid reason for not taking... Well, that, and I had two confluences, so again, not really an A+ setup. Maybe that was a mistake, but A+. A+ only. This one at least had the three confluences. It was scary, but it had it. Oh, down at the bottom, it took out Asia low. Internet. Where was Asia low? I went a little bit below, but here was where Asia low was. So I took it out, popped a little bit further down. Maybe there's something further, actually. Oh, just a lot of sell side liquidity. Pop into anything in particular here. A little bit of an order block. Yeah. Nothing too special. I think it just took out Asia low. On a higher time frame, I'd need to confirm, but it looks like it's taken out. Maybe not 50%, but close to. Tiger Oscar, permission denied? They think some guy. Okay, cool. Hey, Rip, what's up? How's it going? Around above that 1 minute high on NQ, but ES is still intact though. Ooh, okay. Okay, cool, Freddy. So I like that we are in agreement. Ooh, this is why I did not like this one. Hey, guys. Oh my god, I'm listening to myself today. It's so weird. Oh, so weird to be actually listening to myself and it's working out. Okay. Rip. Am I a lucky duck yet? This was fun, good trade. Make sure to protect that capital. I'm going to get some shut-eye for New York. Thanks, Rizzy. Enjoy. Hello from Las Vegas. Hey-o, how's it going? I don't know, Colin. I'm gonna have to think about that one. Psycho, what's up? don't know about you, but today I'm a sleepy dog. Yeah, I assume so, because, I mean, you're late. It's really weird for you to be late. I wanted to take this trade, but it only has one confluence. Would have gone purely off of bias, which is not ideal. I wanted to look for the buy. Oh well. It is what it is. But only risk 5% of position, 10% max, looking for 15-30% profit. So 1 to 3 hour. Oh damn. Okay, NGI is nice. Yeah, see, I'm still on 1 to 2 hour strategy. I know it's bad to say this, but sometimes you just have to trust yourself. Let me take it out. We did have... Oh, man. No, can't be upset about it. I want to be, but I can't be. Would have mitigated risk by half, definitely, around now. Would have been a beautiful entry, though, literally wicked in. Okay, let's see what it does at VWAP. Who knows, Colin? Like I said, drop me an email. Hey, welcome back. Good grief. Oh, goodness. Because it'd be ranging, that's why I'm taking 1 to 2 ratio. Oh no, Jose, I've always just had the 1 to 2 hour strategy. Like I said, maybe one day I will advance it. But for now, it's a 1 to 2 hour strat, and for now, it's working. 5 L's in a row and you're down 50%. See, to then make 100% just be back to where you started. Pull off. Yep. This is the weirdest chat on a trade stream. Hi, Life. I haven't even been focusing on the chat. Just saying, so I'm gonna go with what you're saying and say, yeah, probably. I'll try it in the future for sure, but I'll need a bit of guidance regarding where to enter, not to look for why sell out or profit. Close, David. Yeah, I think it made up for yesterday's. Obviously not this week. This week has not been a great week, has it? I can't even remember. Where are we? We're on Thursday, right? Today's Thursday. Today's Thursday? It's today Thursday. Today's Thursday. Cool. Are we just gonna go back to being rangy now? Because that will kind of suck. I say that, but then I guess I'm glad that I got my trade in early. Cannot tell me we're just gonna be ranging again today. The percentage is still working the same though. On Titan. I've got the cash here too. What up, everybody? Hi. Always get a bad week though, Maya, but it's like, oh, thanks, David. No, that's valid. not every week's gonna be green, and apparently especially December price action does not look great. So I can be happy with being a bit more bold with that one. Oh, thank you. Happy holidays? Yeah, I guess it is December. Hey, Laura, what's up? Sorry, I didn't see your message. How you doing? And Ethan, hi. Again, I apologize if I've missed anyone saying hi or anyone's messages. I'm a little bit more locked in today. I think some of you would be proud, some of you probably annoyed. Sorry, my bad. Oh man, okay, well. Again, let's see what this brings. Would have been better if I trusted myself a little bit with this one. I mean, I trusted myself with this one. It was a little bit scary there for a minute. But I trusted myself. And I paid the duck. I did. I paid the duck. Jose, you're dipping into Forex. Okay, and? Alright, I'm good, thanks. Celestial? What? Who? Why? What? Who dat? Did I miss something? The lens of leisure. Interesting. What platform am I using? I'm using Project X. Oh man. Okay, so sometimes you just have to trust yourself. Thought my phone was ringing. Noted. Just gotta trust yourself sometimes. I know that's not ideal and not what you should be thinking, but deal. Took out internal, took out internal. Don't like where the entry is. That's a better entry, but that's tiny. That is itty bitty. Oh, it's itty bitty. Oh, it's so small. Should this be where I forward test the little one contract idea? There would have been a buy-in. I'm kind of forward testing this out of curiosity. See if it bounces off of VWAP. I'm aware that some of you are probably going to yell at me for this. Let's see what direction this goes. Oh, not looking too great. It's like the sellers want to win. Hey, Lukey. Oh. Well, I got a sell in, but it took out Asia low. I'm now swapped my bias a little bit to bullish, waiting for it to take out Asia high. Lukey, how you been? Damn, David, okay. Hey, TKG, how's it going? You're bullish today. I want to see yesterday's high get taken out, preferably London or New York session. Ooh, okay. Pretty amazing. Is this gold? No, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. Thanks, Freddie. Thanks for answering. Reward versus win rate. Some systems have like 50% win rate, but super tight stops and huge profit targets. I don't think it's gonna have a 50% win rate and be okay. 70% for me most weeks though. The best ever bull. So you're also bullish. Cool. Oh, the little FOMO in me that wants to press that little market in buy right there. Lukey, same old, same old. Yeah, that sounds about right. Justin, what's up? How's it going? No, 100%. Which time frame? So right now I'm on the 1 minute time frame. Which I know is a little bit scary for some people. Oh, that little market-in button looks so juicy today. Oh, just leave it alone. I'm just kind of forward testing this idea, if you will. Theory? Idea. It was here? Nope. Oh dear, what's wrong? I don't even think he knows what's wrong. Duck around and find out. I know, Rip. But with like one contract? Oh, no, never mind. Wait, what time is it? It's not 4 yet. No, not 4 yet. In 3 minutes. Ooh, 3 minutes until... Never mind. Time is not great. Yep, there we go. Indeed, Rip, duck around and find out. I'm saying duck just if anyone is getting offended. I did say duck. So with this trade, I would have paid the duck and moved it to break even at least. So let's see if this hits break even now. If this goes back up to where full TP would have been. But it kind of looks like we're going to go back to ranging, which kind of sucks. I'm not going to lie. This December price action is not so fun. Woof. Dustin, are you new here? Celestial, what astrology? I've missed something. Celestial? Wow. Wait, yeah, wait, actually, what astrology, Celestial? Now I'm curious as well. Wow. I mean, Celestial. What's wrong with the excitement? What's wrong with the excitement in life? Apart from making silly mistakes. Most often we range. Oh, that really sucks, Lukey. So Lukey, do you trade December or do you not bother? What do you do in December? Best ever. What's up? How's it going? Oh, sorry. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Okay, well, let's see what this brings now. Wait, what time is it? Aha! Okay, let me wait for it to close before I get too excited. And then I can draw. I know it's driving you all crazy that I'm manually doing everything, but gotta learn. Okay, so that also would have been a loss. Interesting. And this looks like it would have taken me out at break even. Yep. Okay, so I would have at least had a little bit more profit and then break even with this trade. Is it bouncing off of this range again? And now 4 AM open as well. No, wait, you have to. Okay. Rip, I am now watching this. Now watching this, let's see what this brings. I trade, I play range, occasionally I go for breakout using discretion. See, I'm really, really bad at trading range. Not gonna lie, not my cup of tea, but it is what it is. You're a Gemini? Nice, my best friend's a Gemini. Opening price, closing price, closing price, closing price. Sorry, I did opening price again there. Closing price. Ta-da! Closing price. And we are back to being proper rangy. Well, I mean, thank heavens I got a trade in. Imagine. Imagine. Found out I prefer winning more often. Now I use negative RR too. We're all about the same. Lukey, wait. Interesting, Lukey. Do you know how often? So what is your RR, out of curiosity? What do you have it at? Or what do you have it set at? And what does it look like? Lukey, do you have Discord? Do you have Discord? Do I use VWAP? I use VWAP as a confluence. iTunes trading, yes. June 3rd. Oh, cool, it's your birthday, nice. Count, I'm trying to get my Daytrading. Got my third payout. No, RR is a math choice. Oh, you use specific points of interest. Okay, what in general is it then? Out of curiosity. I mean, David, when you're right, you're right. Wow, that would have annoyed the living daylights out of me, taking me out again at break even and then going up. Again, then it begs the question of... is it worth going break even? What if your risk management is just that you mitigate by half? Looks like it wants to now go take out the high, hey Rip, and then head for Asia high potentially. Highest screen, lowest red as entry, and TP generally using. Oh, damn, okay. Oh, don't worry. Lukey, give me a minute. Let me just send it. Yeah. Ta-da! If anyone wants. You don't gotta, obviously. But if you wanna. Good grief. Fella, can I give insights about gold? I mean, I could try. I haven't looked at gold, to be fair, so I mean, I don't know how accurate I would be at all. Wow, that is playing with where my TP would have been. Okay, it is in the chop now as well, which means I'm hands off until it decides what it wants to do. It is slowly going or pushing higher, but it feels risky. Then what time is it here? It is 7 past 11. Yeah, literally. 7 minutes past 11. Oh. Holy range. Seriously? Rarig, wat die moer. Hoekom? And there was Afrikaans coming up. My bad. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. My dog is looking at me because I didn't open the sliding door for him and he's unimpressed. And now we're dropping. What the heck? Okay. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. No, let me be more specific with you guys. Give me 2 minutes so that you guys don't judge me if I take too long. Okay, was it 2 minutes? Am I in trouble? Are we good? Amazing. Okay. We're good, we're good, we're good. Time has started, thanks, some guy. You're only 9 hours ahead of me. Only 9 hours is 52 seconds. Boom. Less than 1 minute. Oh, I hate this. This is just curiosity getting the best of me. I'm not gonna do it. But I mean, that would be 3R. Oh, I would have just missed. Damn. I say that, let's see if this goes further down. Again, I'm not gonna do it. I'm trying to figure out if I can find something that works for me for the rangy days, because I hate not being able to trade the rangy days. I know I mustn't also like force myself to trade the rangy days. It's not necessary, but it would be nice. It would be nice to have strategy that I can, you know, have in my back pocket for the rangy days. I can be like, I don't have to sit here watching nothing. Oh, Mike G, of course. How you doing, Mike G, by the way? Up $80, break even trade. Whoop whoop, only true trader. Amazing. Where did you get in? What was it? I call this range. Yep. For any complaints about today's price action, address the CME group. Got it. Damn, why are you yelling at me? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Aw, Misha, thanks. Seek and destroy. Yep, it's a sad day. For those of you that know, no. I call the seek and destroy days sad, because sad backwards is das, and das not good. I'm sticking with it. It is my thing. I'm gonna say it. It's going to become a popular thing to say. It's probably not, but anyway. Caleb, good morning. What's up? Euro USD? Oh, no, sorry. Turn the first multiplier on the view app when you're trading choppy. I don't know if I can do that. Tyson, I'll have a look. Oh, yeah. I know that. Tyson, yeah, PA is price action, 100%. Cheers, Lukey! Well, my first time taking a trade with 2 out of 3 of my checklist. Ooh. What made you take it, Only True Trader? Hit your target at the extreme demand zone. It'll hit your demand zone, message me and I'll give you some tips for range. Becca? Don't take this the wrong way, but how am I supposed to message you? The bears are getting exhausted. It kind of looks like it, hey. First, a bit of a strategy that is consistently paying you. Yeah. Again, Rip, if you're gonna come at me with facts, I'm not gonna be able to argue with you. Goodness gracious me. You just got a 7. Was it worth it, David? Damn, why did you get that? That's expensive. That means steam cleaning, right? This price action is, yes, it is. Is it Andreen? Andreen? Andreen, where are you from? 4 bedrooms, a passageway, and a mountain. Damn! Look at you, fancy! Hey, Osman, what's up? The Stevie K, what's up? It even cleans mattresses and leaves them dry. Have I ever tried trading Forex pairs? I have not. Okay, so let's see. There it would have tapped in. I'm doing this out of curiosity purposes. Okay? So there it would have tapped in. Let's see if this would have worked out or not. I have a feeling this is gonna show me that I must just stay in my lane. Here we go. Sit down, shut up, stay in your lane. Don't go messing around with things you don't know well enough yet. Stevie K, I did have a win. Yeah, I actually had a win today. It was quite nice. Quite nice to start the day with a little W. Karate chicken chop. Yeah, so that would have been a loss. See? Stay in your lane. How's it going, karate chicken chop? Support resistance, view update, lows. What am I missing? Mike G? Oh, are you asking about these days as well? So this is the 3 a.m. open and the 4 a.m. close. That's about it. And womp womp. That definitely wouldn't have worked, but now we're going down. So much for that thought process of mine. But we have now definitely closed below the 4 a.m. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How's it going? Thanks. It sounds like I need to clean my horses with that thing, David. Marvo, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? We just focus on developing a logical framework, not 100% description, but also back by data. Do that every day after you get funded. Survive 3 months. That sounds terrifying. When you say that, it sounds like I need to go onto a game show, like Survivor. It's like, good luck. Let's see what happens. I don't know if I would make... No! I probably would not do very well. Survivor's still a thing. I remember watching it when I was like younger, but I don't even know if that's still a thing. Anyways, sorry, that was random. It's because I can't do much now. So you guys get the random thoughts of the day, which have absolutely nothing to do with trading. I'm sorry. Just some random squirrel brain moments. Now. Stay out of the chop, 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 stay out of the chop. What if I put one contract in? Nope, 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 nope. Leave it alone. Oh, some guy, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Now it's time to buy. Worsty, what's up? How's it going? You hate Forex, too scammy, it has decentralized systems. Oh, Worsty, I'm good, I can't complain. You a trader? And what I say here applies to any trader that is struggling. No, well, I mean, David, there's plenty of power sources at stable yards, so it's fine. I noticed the volume is high and only on bearish bars. I mean, yeah, I guess. So you're leaning more towards bearish then? Becca, sorry, I don't know if you did actually then message me. Keep struggling. What do you mean, high life? What's happening? I don't know if you answered, but how do I message you? That might sound rude, but how do I message you? You are learning how to trade. Same Z's, worst G. How's it going? Splitter splatter. It's so over. What's so over? Musimil? Of course you can. I thought so. Andreen? Same. I'm also South African. When I saw your surname, I was like, cool. Another South African. Welcome, welcome. Green Globe Explorations, what's up? Just fine, you guessed? Worst G, that doesn't sound very... Oh, is it Andre? Sorry, wait. I'm sorry, my brain did not brain there. I'm sorry, Andre. I'm so sorry. Oh, I read the Engelbrecht part perfectly. But I did not separate. I apologize. Yeah, I'm low-key very embarrassed about that. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That is like shameful stuff. Low high, wait for a retracement of a few candles, use. from lower high. Wait for retracement of a few candles. Use rectangle tool. But is that not literally this? Literally. Some guy, yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. There we go. Literally on the 50%. So I'm doing it right. Yes? Yes. Sorry, some guy. I was reading a message. Oh, you live in London now? Awesome, man. How is it? Super expensive or not actually that bad? Hello? What's up? How you doing? How could I? I'm so sorry. Matt Seeley. What's up? I hope I didn't butcher that one. Anyways, what up, Matt? How's it going? I'm absolutely hating this rangy day, but I guess we carry on carrying on. Out of curiosity, if I'd use the full range of this? Nope. Wow. Nice to know that literally nothing I could have done here would this would have resulted in a little win. I guess green is green. It's just shush. Essentially, yeah, I would pull this box from the low to the high. Like, the lowest low to which high though? Like, this high? You saying this full range here? Okay, yeah, so you were talking about this low. Got it. Interesting, really? The constitution that the bears accumulate and they hit against them, that's why the volume is higher on some bearish candles. Messy, perfectly. Amazing. Analysis, yes. I am analyzing. English can't be depleted. It's only Thursday. English feels like it's depleted. I nearly said analyze. How do I say this word? Analyzing. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that was not okay. Anyways. Oh. My clothes, I'm sorry. Looking pretty bullish at the moment. Angel Eyes? Becca, again, I don't know when to message you, sorry. Oh. Rip, you were sleeping so well. Nice. Wow. Sorry, Rip. Hey, Laura, what's up? Like the bear has woken up. Yeah. No, you know what, Rip? Let's not judge. It'll hit extreme supply resistance zone. Well, you know what? It's just bouncing right now. I hate it when it does this, but I guess it is what it is. Rebel's trying not to go there. You know what, guys? You know what? It's been a long week. Clearly, the brain is malfunctioning. Okay. Wow, that was so bad. We have been watching this do nothing. Well, I say that. It's obviously doing something, but with regards to my strategy, it's doing nothing. Can't be complaining, though. It did do some grand things for me earlier. some scary things, but still a win is a win. Dipping for a couple minutes, then rip. Okay. Okay, just some guy and rip. What is wrome with you, guy? Okay, so rip, I'm assuming you're not trading this, or have you gotten trades in, or what's the plan? Looking at something. We're out here sniping. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Don't think I joined the lucky ducks today, which kind of... Well, I'm not classified as a lucky duck yet. Maybe this was lucky, so... Lucky, but I'm not a duck yet. Still a goose. Rip, it's not my fault. My brain malfunctioned. Okay, what do you want from me? My brain can't always be perfect like yours, okay? It has its moments where the struggle do be real. Oh no, David. What stopped you? I should be timed out for 1 minute again. Why? Hey, Theatre Kid. So this is actually about trading, believe it or not, from the chat. But this is actually about trading. Just unfortunately, the price action today does not suit my strategy, so I'm having to kind of sit on my hands a little bit. Theoretically, obviously, they're here. But anyway, this is actually a trading channel, believe it or not. Some guy, you have a beard? We know nothing about you. Guys, we now know that some guy has a beard. Piece by piece, we're starting to learn more and more about some guy. Oh, Theatre Kid, thank you. You're so sweet. Where are you from, Theatre Kid? Selling everything and only holding your butt for the next 5 years. Okay, well, let me know how that goes. Damn, David, that's rough. That is rough. Oh, thanks, Tyson. You're so sweet. Everyone, what's up? Hey, Theo. How's it going? Hold on a second. Listen to. Oh, what's that? What? Oh, Theatre Kid. Oh, I'm kind of curious now, but that's fine. Pique my curiosity and give me nothing. How rude. Anyways. You'll always just be some guy. You're right. Oh, damn. And then... I love you guys so much. This channel has the weirdest conversations. The weirdest conversations. I don't even know how it happens or how it starts, but the weirdest... You nearly got me swearing. The weirdest stuff is just discussed on this channel. And I have no words for it. Oh, a beard would suit me. I think I could pull it off. I think it would look good. Lovely, make my day. What is this live all about? Hey, the etiquette. It is about trading again. Code vote Maya. You're right. This is a serious channel for serious trading. Some guy, you yelled at us the other day. Okay, at least I did have the correct idea. I said it was going to take out Asia low and then head for Asia high. It just messed around in the middle for a bit there. Could have used my 4-hour strategy, yeah. That would have hurt me. That would have hurt me right in my soul. Perfect example of sometimes stop loss is the perfect entry. That would have crushed me. I must say, it's nice to know that my thoughts with regards to where, or predicting where the market could be heading, it's nice to know that it's getting a little bit better. Especially for the London. New York, yeah, I'm still not great, but the London is definitely getting better. It's kind of nice, especially if you're in a trade and you're nervous. Read the chat. Only true trader. When you got a point, you got a point. Like a Jack Sparrow kind of beard. Rough. Okay. Even the disgust has now been discussed. Yep. Oh, that's okay, Theatre Kid, don't you worry. If I don't have a beard and that was this. To throw you guys off the reality of me, I could be AI. Some guy, show us your hands. I'm leaning into that. Assuming as you guys always tease me. Hey DK, what's up? Oh, I was going to speak low to until the lower wick formed on the 15-minute. Perspective. Oh no, Angel Eyes, I didn't think it was going to sweep this low. It took out the Asia low earlier. Where was the Asia low? Yeah. So the Asia low was here. Oh, I popped back into the same level. Okay. So it took out the Asia low and then I kind of thought it would go then up to Asia high. Looks like it retested one last time for a little bit of a fake out before going up higher to the Asia high. Greetings from Switzerland. What up? Hi from South Africa. We have a 30-minute fair value gap just above previous day highs. Watch. Oh, thanks, Tyson. Thank you, thank you. You did, Angel Eyes, nice. Ooh, okay, Nell 1 Capital, nice. Okay, cool. I'm glad that you also. Price decided to go with the lower probability, as you can see. Yep. Yeah, I am learning, because when I saw that, I was like, ooh. So maybe we're gonna actually be going for a bearish day. And it just kind of went, ah, nope. I have 7 fingers. Ah, I knew it. Wait. Now I don't know if that's AI or if something happened. Like this live, it's very nice. Thanks, Theatre Kid. Key zone, if it pushes higher, will be 4 hours supplies. Ooh, okay, wait, let me check. I mean, if it goes for this London high and New York high, that'd be awesome. Maybe it's gonna go to the Bob level. Ooh, we love Bob levels. Ricardo, what's up? Becca, again, I appreciate you saying that. How do you want me to message you? Gotcha. I don't have the different sessions memorized as I only trade in New York. Oh, interesting. No, that makes sense. That makes sense, Angel Eyes. This can reverse, you think so? Rip, why you gotta be a negative Nancy? Hey, why you gotta be a negative Nancy? So close to the Asia high. I mean, it's Asia high and equal highs. If it takes it out and then does a reversal, that would make sense. That's a lot of liquidity sitting up there. It's the midnight open now. I think South Africa is 7 AM. After New York, midnight open 5 AM. No. And after that, price keeps going. Are you saying it likes to tap into it? I'm gonna copy paste this. Like I said, any and all information is always amazing. No, that's Bob's stuff. Yeah. Da 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 da. No, them is after. Open up and pre on QQ. Oh! I have no interest for it. London is closed in my books today. Rip, why? And told me, man, look, today. And I got it, so I said, quack that. You know what, Rip, that makes sense. E-zone is 25831. 25761. Profit targeted bullish is 25722.25. I'm gonna mark that up. Two 5722.25. Okay. Let's see. It's about to take out Asia High, I'm just saying. It's on the cusp. Boom. Asia High taken. Let's see. Well, there it goes. There we go. Took out Asia High. Now we're gonna continue. Holy guacamole. Nice. Oh, cheers, Angel Eyes. Enjoy. Thank you for joining. Pretty not liking it. We're only a few days in. I'm gonna be super selective on what days I actually trade. They fall until New Year. 25701. Why 701, Rip? We're at an inflection point here. Okay, Nell 1 Capital, thanks. I'm gonna it's kind of a rip level, but it's not really a rip level, so I'm gonna just put the here. Not my usual rip level. Rip. Okay. Here we go. The part of me would be drawing my GAN blocks, but I'm not trusting anything that's happening today. I was quite lucky to get this trade in earlier. Anyways. Chris Cruz. This is Project X. Yeah, so this is the Project X. I'm on top 1 futures. Holy guacamole. Is it gonna fill this? Is it gonna fill this? Is it gonna fill this? There's an imbalance. Rip, 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 rip. Rip. No, I think it's gonna fill it. Holy bull. Get it. Get it. Get it. Kaboom. Highs taken. Bam, bam. Your trade hit. No, only true trade after it took you out at break even. Ah, interesting. Well, Chris Cruz, what do you trade? Nope, that's not correct. Well, that didn't work. Wanted to see something from yesterday quickly with that imbalance. Oh, can't see anything because it has not done anything. Never mind. I'm not gonna take this. I'm putting it out there. This is merely curiosity that is piquing my interest. Again, not gonna take it, especially because it's just taken out so much liquidity. So much. David, damn, you want to trade? I mean, go on then. Look at that. Rip, you are the one that pointed it out. So now I'm curious. Now I'm watching. See. You point it's like Geordie with the first presented. You point something out and it works really well. Guess what? I'm going to hyperfixate on it a little bit. Might not want to break that until new session if it does, because it would be significant. Oh, angel eyes. Sweet dreams. I nearly said sweet well, like sleep well and sweet dreams. Anyways. Oh, all the malfunctions today. David, that was the most random thing you've ever said. Can you teach me how to use these levels? Which levels? Mirrors? NWOG, NDOG, or volume imbalances. So I used the NWOG. The NDOG, I haven't... doesn't seem to work as well. I did even mark it out, but I didn't take it across. You can see I marked it. Where did I mark it? It's there. You know, once it's been taken, is it then invalid? You know, it's the same way as midnight. Midnight open, midnight meeting. Going the wrong way. I mean, it kind of does. Dennis, am I on the 1 minute time frame? Yes, I am. I'm on the 1 minute. Rip. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Okay, got it. Becca, exit now. Exit what? I'm not in on anything. Oh, I had this here. Like I said, this is more for curiosity. I don't think that would be a good trade at all. This, however, potentially could be a good trade. I'm gonna leave it up more for curiosity. Oh, look at that. It kind of goes right on. I want to say a rip level. Is it a rip level? I'm gonna call it a rip level, but let's call it a rip level. Like I said, at least I've got my trade in today. Atog, shorted. I mean, it looks like it would have actually been a win, but there was nothing valid for me to short this. Oh, literally, look at it go. Huh, that would have been a little win. But again, nothing valid for me to be like, yeah, that's the goodie, let's take this. Maybe the respect of the imbalance. Thanks, Rip, you've now got me hyper-focused on those. Appreciate it. Your meta music is not stuff you said you used to. No, not really. Like I said. Yeah, put it for my Valentine and stuff. I don't know, would you call that real? Me. Do I see other volume imbalances? I mean, there's a little one here. Does that count? Here's one. Oh, here's a. There's one. There's one. There's one. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I did kind of respect this one, and then it went through. This is quite a biggie, actually. David. Okay, but okay, again, Rip. With the imbalances, once they've been filled, are they then mitigated or do they stay valid? I think that's the big question. Do they stay valid? Oh, tears don't fall. Yes. That's not gonna be stuck in my head. Thanks for that one, dude. I used to like, it's not Hurricane, it's Eye of the Storm. Was also a goodie. Some yes, some no. Okay, how do you... Okay, Rip, but then how do you know? You just go with it? No, holy. Holy imbalance. Okay. I say that, obviously it hasn't closed yet, it could come back down, then it's not an imbalance, but still? There we go. Okay. So this could actually theoretically be quite a decent entry, because there's an imbalance that needs to be filled that it could wick into. Because I see this is respecting the imbalance quite well. Fair value gap stays valid, but order block doesn't. But then would your chart just not be one big fair value gap? Because there are fair value gaps everywhere. So if they are always valid, I'm sorry if this is maybe a dumb question, but it's always confused me a little bit. I don't know if confused is the right word, but so I understand that they stay valid, but when are they no longer valid, or else everything, they would just, your whole thing would be full of fair value gaps, and that would look, I don't even want to say a Christmas tree, it would look like you are drowning in fair value gaps. Martin, if you say so. Moving on. I will wait for Rip and Becca to answer. Okay, wait, there we go. Andre, so when a fair value gap is mitigated, it is no longer valid. There was institutional orders, yeah. that were left behind or placed, and then when the game so into there for the game is not. So, Andre, that's what I heard. That's what I heard. Well, that's how I first understood it. I was like, cool, it's been filled, it's no longer valid. However, some people say, actually, no, they are still valid. Hey, Mojala? No, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. So, Andre, that is initially what I believed. I believed, cool, so, you know, like this fair value gap now, it's been filled, no longer valid. I've come to, well, I have now been told otherwise. So, you know, the fair value gap at premium and demand zone. The interest in fair value gap in the discount zone, mitigated fair value gap, is still valid. Quebec, I hear you, but why? It remains valid until it's inversed. Hey! Okay. Now that's new. Kenny, what? I've missed something there. They are a tool, depends on what you use in the session. Then they're valid for the session day. Like new daily opening gap, then they're valid for the day or week. Depends what you do. Okay, so this here is the new daily opening gap. So this is still valid for the day. Or potentially the week. Because then I've heard that first presented fair value gaps stay valid as well. Some guy, no, we're just having, I don't even know if it's a debate. I'm asking questions. I might be frustrating some people. I'm a little bit, I don't want to say confused. It's just very interesting to hear different people's opinions. Take Heisenberg, what's up? Like magnets, you use them for entry, very rare. And very advanced to know, like yesterday's one. Okay. So it could be entry as well as a little bit of a confluence, because it would have been a great confluence because it kept bouncing off of it. So like where my stop loss was with yesterday, if I hadn't moved it, it was fantastic for the bounce off, or like you said, an amazing entry point. I get that. That's great. It can depend on the side of orders in that fair value gap. Let's say the gap was partially filled and then revisited. That means there were orders that were not filled. Okay. So if your stop loss is above a volume imbalance, be careful. Okay, so for example, like this one. Be careful of this one because there's this volume imbalance here. So you would rather have your stop loss further down, maybe below these wicks, and then actually maybe have your entry lower down. Doug, you're too funny, get it? Anyways, moving on. Okay, I'm getting it. That makes sense. I mean, this one, theoretically, a really great entry would be around here because there's a lot. Out of curiosity, I'm going to put this up. I don't think it's going to come this far down, but you know, then it gets complicated because there's one here. There's a little imbalance. Do little imbalances count? I'm sure every imbalance counts to a degree, but obviously the bigger, the more of a magnet it is. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. Because here there's a bit of an imbalance. So what if it wants to fill it and then bounce back up? And this imbalance only gets filled later on. Oh my god, there's so much to look at. Okay. Oh, trading is ridiculous. People that are like, yeah, trading's easy can go fly a kite. Hey, Steven, what's up? Like, is that because mitigated the fair value gap to sweep liquidity? And that's why SMC is zone to sweep liquidity. Okay, Becca, you've now confused me because you say mitigated fair value gap is valid because it mitigated the fair value gap to sweep liquidity. So grab the liquidity. SMC retest the zone to sweep liquidity, but did you not just say it just swept the liquidity? All imbalances count. It's the no wick I mentioned before. So you think that no wick is an even greater, like this one. This is quite a decent imbalance. I mean, there's no wick to the downside. It's just bumping, lack of a better word. So it's a very juicy imbalance there. But from time to time, look at them and see how price reacts. So essentially, yes, use them a little bit more as a confluence and be aware of them and that they are something. Yeah, kind of like how I used the first presented as a little bit of a confluence because I expect it, not always, but I expect it to bounce off of it or be rejected off of it once it's tapped into. Hey, Young Fur Beats, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, I know that one, Becca. I know the smart money concept. Look back on the charts and see how no wicks get hit. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste this as well. Thanks, Ricky. Sorry, we're having like a proper debate. I apologize if this is frustrating some people. I just like to obviously make sure I understand. Aw, thanks, Chris Cruz. Well, hopefully I'll see you for the New York session, right? That'll be awesome. David, yes, you and David. I just sit there and I go, okay. You two are like the class clowns. You just sit there and you go, yes, yes, whatever. Okay, that was a very interesting. I'm gonna place this again, curiosity's sake. Like I said, I would never have taken this. But curiosity always gets the best of me at the end of the day. I look forward to coming back for the New York session and seeing what happens. Okay, so basically I don't have to mark out every single imbalance unless it looks really juicy and then have a look and essentially see if those can become a little bit more of a confluence pattern. 110-ish till 7k. David, are you talking about your vacuum? 30-minute SMT confirmed. Ooh, okay. Okay, so you need... So for the volume imbalance, you said don't expect the same respect. So it might not respect it at all. You need confirmation that it will respect it. Oh, I got it, David. I was like, damn. Getting there slowly and surely. It's at a little bit of a plateau, but it is what it is, right? Can't expect to always be amazing. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna call it there because it's a lot to process. But a super interesting day. I've thoroughly enjoyed the session. The time went by super quickly. I know there was one in the beginning and then not much happened, but that was a choppy disaster. This was absolute mayhem. And now we've had a very cool and interesting conversation with regards to the imbalances, which I am all for. Yeah. Thanks guys. Like I said, learning something new every single day. Ricky, Rip, some guy, all you guys. Thanks, some guy. Listen here, David. David? That just made me think of the series. I'm not gonna say it. It's Creek. David! Sorry. Imagine it does go green, and that's fine, but there was valid reason for not taking it, so I'm not going to be upset for not taking it. It had just taken out all that buy-side liquidity. I'm crazy sometimes, I'm not that crazy. Enzo, do I trade gold? I have not traded. I've traded gold twice. I've traded gold twice. That does remind me, I do need a book. I need to book the tattoo, guys. I have like to-do lists. It's on my to-do list. I keep my promises. And by the way, I think the sharks are back. I did have the conversation. I think the sharks are back. So shark cage diving. Here we go. It's going to be a very entertaining December. I hate December, but it's fine. Oh, what should go? What should go? 2 TP. No, I'm actually not gonna watch it. It's fine. Thanks, David. SSS Chaos. What up? How's it going? Okay, no, I'm gonna get distracted again. I'm gonna call it there for the London session. I will be back for New York. Yes, I will be back for New York. We have got this. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be grand. It's gonna be just dandy. Love from India. Hi from South Africa. I'm actually about to hop off, but I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm gonna call it there. We're in the green. I'm gonna stop talking right there. Let's see what New York brings. But for now, we're in the green. Let's see if we can stay green. That would be awesome. It just means that New York, I'll be a bit more cautious. David? Bye. Okay, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining again. Thank you for everyone that helped and taught me new things. Always amazing. Yes, some guy, same to you. Go touch some grass. Go chill. Go have an amazing day. Go enjoy work. No, you're off. You're off. Hey, never mind. I love you guys madly. Thank you, thank you. If you want to show some more love and support, you guys can use my code. It's TeachMaya for any of the prop firms that are in my description. So if you guys do use props, you want to show some more love, that would be amazing. Your chart looks messy. How is it messy? I'm so confused. Is that not just more messy? Anyways, it's fine. That's always my argument. Okay, I love you guys. I'll catch you guys for the New York session. Yeah. Okay. I'll catch you guys in New York session. I love you madly. Bye.